Hazrat Sahel bin Saad radiyallahu anhu says, a woman came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, I have come in order to present myself to you. So she stood there long, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam cast his glance at her and then lowered his head. When she stayed there long, a man submitted, if you do not need her, marry her to me. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, do you have anything to give her as a doer? He submitted, nothing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, go and search. He then went away, and when he had come back, he submitted, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have found nothing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, go and search again, though you find even an iron ring. He departed, and when he had come back, he submitted, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, there is no even an iron ring. He had fastened a raper, but had no rape over. He whereupon submitted, I will give her my raper as doer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, if you give it to her to wear, it will not remain on you, and if you use it, it will not remain on her. So that man sat aside. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam then saw him going, turning his back. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam summoned him back and said, how much of the Quran have you learnt? He submitted such and such chapters and counted them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I have given her in your possession for the Quran you have learnt. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5871.